This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by J. Reilly. Samish Neighborhood 3-bedroom, 2-bath rambler in a great neighborhood. Well maintained, open floor plan feels very spacious with vaulted ceilings, skylights and hardwood floors. Recent updates include a newer roof, kitchen countertop and appliances, new washer/dryer and central AC. Relax on the covered front porch to view Bellingham sunsets or the back deck while enjoying your private backyard that features a greenhouse, garden shed, and raised beds. Alley access to the oversized 2-car garage in back. Close to town shopping, restaurants, parks, WWU, and easy I-5 freeway access. For more information, review the details below or contact J. Reilly at 360-734-7500.